Hi guys, so welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, gagawa tayo ng timeless reading para sa ating mga may sun, moon, and rising sign na Virgo. So, kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. And kung tanda natin na yung readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And, of course, kung ang tawag dito, if you need private readings or spell works or gusto nyo madala ng donation, you can use the details below the description. And also, you can use the thanks button. Now, sa dulo ng video, we have a link. Kung hindi mo alam yung sun, moon, and rising mo, yan, meron tayong link for that. Kasi importante siya. Diba, ang hirap kasi may pusa. So, tingnan natin ano yung mga cards mo, Virgo. So, by the way, gamit natin si Guardians of the Night Tarot, and Oracle of the Celestial Deities. Yan. Okay, so, Virgo, how are you? Okay. Oh, wait. First we have here is yung King of Cups. The High Priestess, and the Ace of Wands. Anong deity mo is si Uranus. So, number 9, invention, chaos, and a wish to change. So, ano ba message sa'yo? So, well, Virgo, andun kasi yung point na sometimes emotions is necessary. Kailangan pinapakinggan natin. Tama naman na andoon na ginagamit natin yung logic natin. Tama naman na nakikinig tayo sa experiences natin, sa alam natin, even the advices of other people. Lahat yon are valid sources ng message para sa atin. Pero, andun kasi na pinapala sa'yo ng cards na kailangan mo din bigyang pansin yung tinatawag natin na intuition mo. Ito yung mga promptings, ito yung pinaparamdam ng universe sa'yo or binibigyan ka ng idea na, hey, dapat ito yung sundan mo, ito yung kailangan mong gawin. And a lot of times kasi ang intuition, it will go against sa sa logic natin. Yes, Mikay. So, andun na, pinapala sa'yo ng cards. There are moments na pag sinabi ng universe na kumalma ka or there's something is wrong, pakinggan mo. Kasi it is the universe telling you na, hey, may mali. Hindi mo napapansin. And there are moments na naramdaman mo na kailangan mo imbestigahan tong bagay na to or yung taong to. Or simply parang, hindi, something is not right eh. May hindi tumutugma. So, ito yung moment na kung saan bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance to think. Baka meron nga. And what I can assure, a lot of times, tama yung magiging maramdaman mo. A lot of times, andoon yung moment na, oh nga no, dapat pala hindi ako magtiwala dito sa taong to, or dapat pala hindi ako dumikit sa taong to. And that will save you a lot. Hindi lang in terms of your resources, pero it will also save you from possible mistakes. So, ang sacrifice mo na dito is a little bit of time para mag-check, para mag-investigate, and that could provide you a lot of savings in a lot of ways. So, I hope nakatulong yung ating quick reading para sa'yo. Keep in mind, those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. So, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna. Blessed be. And mula po dito sa Baguio City, I hope magkita tayo very soon. Bye for now.